So what made you decide to do a Volkswagen car show here today?
It's in memory of the 50th anniversary of Woodstock, so I figured let's bring back love and peace.
And why a car show as a way to do it?
Because Volkswagen was the means of transportation in 67 through 71 for me, and I used to get around backstage with the Volkswagen as a producer of the shows in the Pavilion in Singapore. A Volkswagen was a lot easier for us to get around without spending that much money. And it was also the car that was very familiar to the peace sign and the love sign.
And what do you think about today's turnout here?
So far we have an amazing, interesting collection of cars. And the beautiful thing is that all the colors are different, and they're all from 60. I think the oldest one is a 67, and the newest one I think is a 17. When you do an authentic Beetle in such a way, it's a piece of artwork, and that's why we did this one, to bring back those days of peace and love. Every kid in the world used to do this without that much money, just a spray can, a paintbrush, and so therefore what this signifies is, you know, again, peace and love.